My name is Agrain. I'm the director and co-founder of Agrain. Well, we're a producer of a powder ingredient, basically a flour made from the spent grain. So it's the grains that have been through the brewing process already. And what we have suggested to BlendHub is to develop a mix for a sourdough bread. Very standard basically, but very high on nutrition, and also feeding into all the trends about nutrition and aroma. And when you're upcycling, you are using resources that are already available, but normally wouldn't go to human food. And the spent grain, the brewer side stream, is a massive resource. There are more than 40 million tons available every year across the world. And it's full of nutrition because the brewery is only using the sugar and the starch. So all the proteins and fibers and minerals and vitamins are still present in the grains. And because of the process in the malting and in the brewing, many of these nutrients are more accessible for the human digestion. So it's a powerhouse of nutrition that would normally be wasted. So in that sense, it's feeding into the nutrition side of EIT, but also to the sustainability side. Because when we're producing our flour, we're not using any land, because the grains have already been grown and used for the beer. Further, we have a lower CO2 emission in our production, even if it's a small sort of pilot stage we're in. Our CO2 emissions is around 30% lower than normal flour. And we're not using any water in our production. We are taking water out of the grains instead. So it's a very, very sustainable way of producing food. First of all, we're super excited to work with BlendHub, and we're looking forward to learn from their development process. It's a very condensed process that they are using, with just 4 months of really focused development, which I think is super fascinating and interesting. And they have a different reach, of course, than we have. We are a quite young company and a smaller company, so to be able to be part of their network and meet people here that have a strong competence and knowledge in the field of product development, and also working with blending. It's very important for us because we are already blending our product. Our products are sort of mixes of a lot of different types of spent grain into one to reach the right nutrition and aroma and color.